Hi there, welcome to step 1 of 7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a 7-day free trial of Builderall. So what you want to do is go to click here to get your 7-day free trial of Builderall. Alright, you can have a little read of what Builderall is all about, but we're definitely going to have to use it for this system to work. So let's get started now. Alright, I'm going to do this with you. I'm going to create an account. So let's just have a fake name. Who am I going to go with? Let's put in Shane. Email address Shane at le.spap. Password is just going to be Shane. Click get started now. Alright, so a special offer pops up. That's Alex over there, who you met in the earlier video. I highly recommend you get this. It's up to you, but if you miss out on this, you're not going to be able to get it later on. And it's Facebook training by Joe and Jason, who are excellent guys. Their training is really top notch. But as I said to you, this is a 7-day free trial, so I don't want you to pull out your credit card. Let's just go say no thank you. Take me to the platform now. Alright, welcome to the Builderall dashboard. You can close this little video that pops up. That's me, Shane, that's logged in. Sponsored by Wendell Gray. To your left, you'll have like a dashboard. That's all your builders here. What we want to do is we want to go to Builderall Business because we want to be able to activate our links. So let's just go to the dashboard. Alright, so this pops up. Let's go straight down. I'll just close this. Go straight down. Make sure you have a little read of it. Click I agree with the terms of use and continue. This is going to allow us to get our affiliate links. As an example, go straight to resources. Click default, funnels, and that's the one that we're going to be using. Okay, so that was just a little demonstration. Actually, that was step 1 of 7. See how easy the system is. It's less than, 3 minutes? That's it. That's all you have to do in step 1. Really simple, really easy. Make sure you change your password to something stronger. And that's it. I'll see you guys in step 2.